Hi, I'm Advika and I've been living alone in Delhi as a student from the last 3 years. From being completely dependent on my parents to moving to a different state and making my own life has been challenging. But here are a few things that I learned from living on my own.
You're on your own, kid. You always have been.
The first step to conquering your day is simply waking up. अब घर पे तो जब मॉम डैड सुबह उठाने आ जाते थे तब लगता था कि काश कोई जगाने ही ना आ पाए और मुझे जितना सोना है मैं सोऊं. But when you're living alone and your alarm clocks fail to wake you up, you really wish there was someone to wake you up every day. But let me tell you that someone has to be you. You are responsible for your own body clock. One thing that I've learned from living alone is how to be disciplined and how to have a routine. A consistent routine has helped me reduce stress and increase my productivity. Recently, I've added meditation to my morning routine because taking care of your mental health is as important as your physical health, especially when you're living alone.
Guys, this video is actually so good. It's not just 5 minutes of meditation, but it also makes you feel very grateful, very intentional, and I loved it. It is a great way to start your day or to end your day. It's just 5 minutes for real, so try this one out. I'll be linking this in the description as well. Let's make breakfast!
Someone wise once said you need 3 skills to stay alive: swimming, driving a vehicle, and cooking. I know the first 2, but I'm still learning the third one. My interest in cooking started when I learned the hacks of cooking. Like right now, I'm using my leftover salad from yesterday and then I just rolled it in this bread, made something that I don't even know what to name, but it tasted good. एक और अच्छी चीज़ है when you live alone. There's no one to share your product. Like घर पे my sibling always uses my product and my clothes. I'm just kidding. This segment is not for that. This segment is for personal hygiene. When you're living alone, you need to maintain your personal hygiene because not only it makes you feel fresh, but it also boosts your confidence. These days, I've started using Himalayas Dark Spot Clearing Turmeric Face Serum. This has 100% organically sourced turmeric with 10% glycolic acid and 2% niacinamide. The formulation is giving best of both nature and science. It's super lightweight, quickly absorbs, it visibly reduces dark spots and dullness, and boosts your skin's radiance. This product is available on Amazon, Nykaa, Flipkart, and Himalayas website. You can get 30% discount if you go and check out the product today.
I'm gonna be planning right now. This is a journal that I use. I'll be linking this in the description. It's a good one. I think planning your day is such a must. It helps you have a clear vision of how the day is gonna look, what all your priorities should be, and both of these things are really required if you wanna be productive throughout the day and not feel guilty at the end of the day. So yeah, I'm gonna be planning right now.
I read this somewhere and I live by this quote: you fail to plan, you plan to fail. Living alone makes you realize the importance of time. Balancing things become a part of your life, and not every day will be your best day. There will be some really low days where you're not able to do anything, and just getting out of your bed is an accomplishment in itself. But that's the thing about life. Happiness comes in waves and you need to find your balance.
Let's go to college.
When you live alone to make your dreams come true, that living alone hits different when you see your dreams coming true. For example, every time I go to the OT, I always feel this spark that yes, this is what I am living for. This is the reason why I'm staying alone, why I'm living alone, why I'm going through all these challenges, and it really boosts my motivation. Another thing that I want to talk about is learning how to be self-reliant. Coming from a very indecisive person, I've been forced to make my own decisions every day, every minute, every second, and if I'm being honest, it's not always that easy, especially when you constantly live with self-doubt. But with time, you just get used to it and you also start believing in yourself more.
What's up guys, I'm back in my room. It is so hot, like मैं literally अपने room में नहीं बैठ सकती. So damn hot and humid here. So I've decided to go out. I am gonna go for grocery shopping and then I'm gonna go to the reading room to study. I actually have a lot of stuff to do, and since I can actually not stay in my room, so let's go out.
I've not heard a lot of people talking about this, but living alone also includes another responsibility, which is the financial responsibility. Budgeting and managing your own finances becomes an essential. You become more aware of your spending habits and learn to save and invest wisely. When you enter the real world, you understand the real importance of money. to live in the real world, you also need this skill, which is called setting boundaries. This thing hit hard on me because I was always a people pleaser, and to keep my own needs above someone else's without feeling guilty was something I never experienced. But then after living alone for a long while, I had to learn to say no in order to make time for things that really matter. And you know what? It's not selfish to prioritize yourself and your goals.
Take a look out the window. Spirit goes up as the rain falls down. I've been sailing on the wrong course, keeping it together like I did before. Think that I've said this a few times. Even with that, has it ever felt right? I swear that this has happened every moment. Can I just be honest? I was only wondering, and maybe we could take it to a different conversation.
Spending time alone helps you understand your preferences, interests, and values better. It provides a space for self-reflection and personal growth. I was very naive when I came to hostel. I used to trust everyone so easily, but with time, I learned to choose my friends wisely. I became more aware of who truly supports me and values me versus those who don't. It's important to surround yourself with genuine people who bring positivity into your life. Trust your instincts and don't be afraid to distance yourself from toxic relationships. A clean place equals to a clean mind, and this is also something that you realize when you're living alone, because there isn't going to be a mom or anyone to help you clean your room. When you start taking responsibility for your space, you also discover a way to enjoy this process. For example, I listen to music or an audiobook while I'm doing this, not just cleaning my room but also cleaning my utensils and my clothes. This has really made me feel much more grateful and have more respect for my mom, who does all these things without complaining, not just for herself but for 3 other people as well. Of course, living alone makes you independent, but being independent is not always very convenient. Today I decided to finally put on this lamp in my room that I got months ago, but to do this I needed nails and I did not have that. So I asked a few people and they also did not have that, and then I got sad honestly, and I decided to do a जुगाड़. तो जुगाड़ में मैंने सोचा कि मैं double sided tape से इसको लगा लेती हूँ, but guess what? That also failed. And then I got really mad because I had been into this task from an hour and it all got wasted, and I knew only one thing can help my mood now, which was taking a cold bath. So kids, emotional independence comes along when you're living on your own. You need to learn how to handle your emotions without relying on anyone's support. You become your own friend. Tell yourself not to cry and to be strong. Solitude is the place of purification. Living alone gives you the freedom to create a life that truly reflects who you are. It's an opportunity to build a space where you feel safe, happy, and at peace. Learning to live on your own is a journey of self-discovery and growth. It can be challenging, but it's also incredibly rewarding. If you watched till here, then comment smile so that I know that you're a real one. And I will see you guys in my next vlog. Until then, keep dreaming, keep smiling, and keep achieving. Good night.